Well, just you can see, that was the Bell 505 Jet Ranger X that we just seen came over this afternoon anyway. We just saw the Bell 505 Jet Ranger X as we just saw from the distance anyway. That's for some reason we just saw the Bell 505 Jet Ranger X that's just been flown over the distance anyway. Which, as you can see, the registration as we've just seen today is G-DUNO apparently. Especially with this registration here, which is the call sign registration, GMLUG apparently. Which technically this is one of the registration that we saw last time anyway, but you know. So yeah, this is the one that's still taken over from the GIIBB at the moment, which is the other Bell 505 anyway, which is the Bell Textrian helicopters anyway. Which this is one that's still taken over from the GIIBB at the moment anyway. So yeah, technically this is the one that's just taken over from the GIIBB at the moment anyway. Which you know, the GIIBB helicopter, which unfortunately to say it's just gone. Well, obviously unfortunate to say though, he's still over at Frontrins Airfield at the moment, but he's still over at Frontrins Airfield having some maintenance check at the moment. So yeah, he's just having some maintenance check at the moment anyway, just over Frontrins Airfield at the moment in Somerset. So yeah, and just you can see, this is where it just came from his usual spot anyway, literally just over St Mary's in Devon anyway. So yeah, and somewhere just being passed over Tom Hams anyway. Just you can see, the time it took off was around 3 o'clock anyway. So he literally just took off from Tom Hams just to around about 3 o'clock anyway, sort of time. So yeah, and as you can see, that only came here probably just about nearly 40 minutes anyway, about half hour and 40 minutes anyway. So yeah, as you can see, like now he's just now going back. Possibly it looks like he's probably going back to his base, I believe anyway. I think by the looks of it, he's now going back to his base at Dragon Heliport anyway. Which that's probably where he's probably going back to, I believe anyway, probably back to Dragon Heliport anyway, which that's probably where he's going back to anyway. So yeah, now going back to Dragon Heliport anyway, which that's probably where he's going back to anyway. So yeah, okay, so yep, thanks for watching, bye bye.